Here I am inside of AISalesRocket, which is set to launch at 10 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. That's Tuesday, the 17th of March. All right, let's have a look at the navigation bar so you can see exactly how you navigate around here. So you start here, right? And which is where we are. And then you can upload your book. So you go in here and you upload a book and you just fill in all the information here, which is pretty straightforward. Now, and then you go over here and you create your content. You probably want to go down here and do a little setup first before you go and create your content, where you can connect your apps, the ones that you're wanting to use, your marketplaces, you want to connect your API keys. Now, if this is all starting to sound a little bit like, geez, how do you do that? Don't worry, because go down the bottom here to the training help. There are all these guides here, and of course there is a video on start here which gives you a little bit of guidance. But getting started, uploading your books, generating your content, scheduling your posts, connecting your platforms and your API keys, I suggest getting started, uploading your books, connecting the platforms, API key setup, and then go over to generating the content. They could have put this in order, but that's the order that you should go in. And then go to scheduling your posts if you would like to schedule. There's troubleshooting guides, all sorts, support requests. There's a great support team there. Now, the bonuses are here. So there's a cover generator, there's a 3D book mockup, there's multilingual, so you can convert your English books into any language you like, or vice versa. These are the upsells. So the upsells are here. The launch calendar is here. So you can create a 7 or 14-day content calendar. You can go to the Write Lab too, which is one of the upsells, where you can create books inside of here. The Market Pulse, which gives you reports, and you can generate a report, so forth and so on. And part of the upsells as well, that you can get information on what's trending, all that sort of stuff too. Team is also part of an upsell, which is the agency, and gives you sub accounts and so forth and so on. And bonuses I've already taken you through. All right, let's go and create. Okay, so let's select our book first, Australia's Historic Pubs. We're going to do some content that's going to be automatically posted on Pinterest. We want the tone to be mysterious. Let's go with mysterious. Language is English, but you can choose any language here, which is super cool. We don't need to put the maximum length of characters in here because it automatically knows. Include the hashtags. You can generate the image with AI, or you can upload. I'm going to upload this one here, Castle Hotel. And you can also overlay a quote from the book on this image too. But I'm going to generate the content. This will only take seconds to generate, and I'm going to have a post ready to go on Pinterest. First of all, it's going to ask me for approval, which is the key thing. You do definitely want to check that. Okay, discover the secrets of Australian heritage with Australia's Historic Pubs by. I'm just going to add in the main author here because he's not listed there. And also, say for example, if I wanted to add more about the castle, I can put a little blurb in here. And then coolly, I'm going to put a little blurb in there. I can save the changes, so you can make changes there. You can see that it's pulled my image here, which is great. Everything's looking good, and I know that I've already selected Pinterest here, and it's in draft at the moment, but I'm wanting to post it, so I'm going to post now. So it's asking me again for confirmation that yes, I want to post it now. I'm going to post it on this Pinterest account. It's my account, and it's going to my board there, which is Australia's Historic Pubs, and I'm going to post to selected. Now, how easy and simple was that? Now let's head on over to Pinterest and have a quick look now. I'm just going to refresh, and voila, there it is. So I've got my post there, right? Got my post there. It's got all the details. It even has a little thing to say how much the book is. It's grabbed my link and everything from my setup, and it has my little blurb here, which is super, super cool, and I'm super pleased with that. So that is how the product works, and you can see exactly here I did the same. Well, I did a post that went on to LinkedIn as well, and that is here. Oh, already getting some love and thumbs up, and have 41 impressions, and essentially I just loaded that up an hour ago, which is super cool. And all that traffic is being pushed here, and this is my affiliate link, so it's gone to the Woods Lane Press, who is the publisher, our publisher, but of course you would have it go to your Amazon link. That's an inside look and demo of AISalesRocket. Now go grab your copy, and we'll see you in the inside.